Alright, let's talk Garmin, because their next wave of running watches is dropping soon and, well, it's gonna be exactly what you expect. No crazy surprises, no wild new tech, just good old Garmin doing what Garmin does best. Slight upgrades, a price tag that makes you go, and just enough new features to tempt you into an upgrade. So what's coming? The Forerunner 975, 275, and 275S with a Forerunner 175 showing up fashionably late. The Forerunner 275 is set to be the mid-tier pick for runners and triathletes, likely sitting at that $450 to $500 sweet spot. It also comes in a smaller size, making it the triathlon watch if you prefer a more compact fit. When's it dropping? The earliest we could see it is March 2025, right in time for triathlon season, but if Garmin sticks to their usual playbook, Q2, April to June, is a safer bet. Now, if you're here looking for juicy leaks, sorry, you're out of luck. Garmin's been radio silent and there aren't any sketchy factory photos floating around. But let's be real, the Forerunner lineup is predictable. The flashy, cutting-edge features always stay locked in the high-end models, while mid-tier watches get a safe, sensible refresh. What's changing? Expect minor tweaks. A slightly different GNSS chipset, Hello, Beidou, and QZSS, an upgraded Elevate 5 heart rate sensor, maybe with ECG, and the usual battery life improvements. But don't get too excited, there's a chance Garmin won't give the 275 all the goodies. If they treat it like a second-tier watch, like the Instinct 3, it might get stuck with the older Elevate 4 sensor, and brace yourself, no full topographic maps. Garmin might be drawing a hard line at $500 for map support, which, yeah, not great. And if you were hoping for a surprise feature like LTE, a flashlight, or some fancy new button tech, no, not happening. What you might get is a slightly bigger display on the 275S, more storage, because 8GB is kinda stingy for music, and maybe a new microphone and speaker if Garmin wants to make their pricier watches more smart. So, is it worth the price? That depends. Garmin doesn't usually lower prices for new models, so if the Forerunner 275 stays at under $500 mark without maps or the latest heart rate tech, that's gonna sting a little. A few years ago, that price got you a premium watch. Now it gets you an upgraded mid-tier option. Share your thoughts on what you expect from the Forerunner 275 lineup. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching. Peace.